Hey, I'm Kristen here at Hubert Chevrolet. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful 2016 Chevrolet Trax LT. As you can see, it's white in color, sporty wheels, does have your remote start on your key fob, LED lights, got your sport racks up top, black Scotch guarded interior, plenty of room in the back for your passengers to ride comfortably. Does have your backup camera, lots of storage space, and the seats fold down as well for additional space. Let's hop on in and check it out. This awesome SUV only has 19,700 miles on it. Does have your Chevrolet MyLink, OnStar, Bluetooth, lots and lots of great features. If you want an SUV that's perfect for your family, great on gas mileage, then this is the SUV for you. Please give me a call here at Hubert Chevrolet, 252-291-2111. Thanks for tuning in.